Hanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 2, mga must-try cookies and ice cream floats by Desserts by Patz. Desserts by Patz is now open for online reservation and order starting 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. And for scheduled meetups and delivery within Iloilo City area, just check out their Facebook page for more details and their meetup schedule. And for their fullest of menus, I'll be providing description down below. Delivery details, wala po silang minimum order or charge for delivery. And this episode is sponsored by Desserts by Patz. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews and mukbangs. And before anything else mga nos, I would like to shout out for Remo Baktong. Shout out sa'yo, Remo. Also si Kat or si MM, shout out sa'yo. Si JC, thank you for supporting Drinking Nose na pag-promote sa aking YouTube channel sa lahat po ng social media platforms. Hi there mga nos, serving cookies and ice cream floats for desserts by Patz. Konting reminder lang mga nos, try ko talaga ubusin to lahat. I'm not a professional mukbanger, pero ito try ko talaga yung challenge na to. Before anything else, please do like this video and share these videos to one of your friends. Please do comment down below kung anong flavors na gusto nyo i-try for cookies and ice cream floats. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, and para updated kayo, just click the notification bell icon. And last but not the least, kapag may nakita po kayong mga ads sa aking mga episodes, please lang po, huwag niyo po i-skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel. At maraming salamat sa lahat nagsuporta at nag-trust sa Drinking Nose. So let's start. For our first product, under ice cream floats, this is their Oreo ice cream float for 80 pesos. Very creamy siya when it comes to flavor and for its texture. Yung Oreo granules and yung toppings niya, perfect combination for this product, and yung sweetness level nasa tamang proportion for my taste. For next product, under ice cream floats, this is their Mango Graham ice cream float for 80 pesos. Ito marami siyang mango fruit chunks, tapos meron siyang granules of graham, nandun yung creaminess, yung sweetness, and for its mango essence. So mag-proceed na po tayo for cookies. Po sa harap, meron tayong yung regular cookies. Ayan, ito po yung sizes nila. Malaki na din siya. Tapos, ito po sa box is their mini-sized cookies. So lahat po ng flavors dito is assorted. And by the way mga nos, meron silang dalawang packaging na you could choose from. This plastic bag. Also for their box, they have this. Kapag gusto niyo po yung box packaging, just add 20 pesos. Tapos nakasulat na po dito yung lahat po ng flavors for cookies. We have half dozen for prices of 100 pesos up to 110 pesos. And they have also 1 dozen for price range of 190 pesos up to 210 pesos. At para sa assorted cookies, minimum order of 1 dozen. Your flavors of their cookies, they have chocolate chip cookies, cashew cookies, Oreo Cookies, Alcapone Cookies, Choco Cookies, White and Dark Choco Cookies, White Choco and Alcapone Cookies, White Choco and Cashew Cookies, Campfire Smores Cookies, White Choco and Marshmallow Cookies, Assorted Cookies. Ito po yung Alcapone Cookies nila. Malambot siya. Is Campfire S'mores. white choco and dark choco cookies. Campfire s'mores nila. So ito pala si cashew nuts with white choco. So ayan mga nos, naubos ko na. Sa cookies and ice cream floats for desserts by Patz, nandun yung consistency for their flavors, especially yung almond flakes, yung dark chocolate, yung white chocolate, yung cashew, yung s'mores, and also yung Oreo. Comes sa regular size of their cookies, malaki na siya, good enough for the price. And also kahit mini cookies siya, okay na okay din. And when it comes sa ice cream floats nila, marami naman siyang layers for their ingredients, especially sa mango graham and also si Oreo. Yung right granules, hindi siya super sweet, nasa tama yung proportion nila, at the same time very creamy. And by the way, munti ko na talaga makalimutan na i-rate ko yung products nila for their cookies. Sa lahat po ng flavors nila, I'll give it a perfect 10. For their ice cream floats, I'll give it a perfect 10. So thank you so much sa owners ng Desserts by Patz for allowing me to feature your products, especially na very first ko siyang desserts mukbang for my vlog episode. And watch out mga nos, mag-open sila very soon sa Sara and sa mga new products nila. So Dessert by Patz has good quality of products, good service, very accommodating owners, and a certified drinking nose standards approved. Once again, thank you and congratulations! Keep safe mga nos! Bye!